there is so much to see in Bourton on water, and it is suitable for visitors of all ages, especially families. The village often has more visitors than residents during the peak tourist season. It gets really busy, so it's best recommended visiting outside peak times. However, the village has plenty of charm at any time of the year. With honey-hued cottages, independent boutiques, rich history, and a beautiful countryside makes this place very special. I hope you enjoyed watching this. For more updates, kindly like and share Travel Saki. Thank you.